The washing clothes. Hey, Mama. Mama, say hi. I am the intro of this video. Say hi. Good morning, beautiful mommies over there. I just finished eating. I'm about to dress up and go to school. She's coming to see what I'm doing. So they're actually watching film, a cartoon. Oh my goodness. Oh, Mama, you're gonna sit down and watch cartoon, okay? Do you hear mommy? Yeah, go now. Hi, beautiful ones. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another brand new day here, okay? So, today is a Friday morning. Yeah. So, my son has gone to school, remaining Chisom here. So, Chisom, when I'm done doing my own things, that is when I will carry her to school. Because she's madam. She can go to school anytime she likes, 9, 10, after 8, anytime. At my own convenient time, I'll just carry her to her school. So we are still here. She has eaten. So I'm done with my son. I said, let me just rest more before I make her cereal. Mm? What do you want? Water? And arrange her bag. Yes. So I said, let me rest more. Waking up early, cooking kids food, preparing them to school is not easy. After that, you have to just rest a bit before eyes will start turning. So that is it. I said, let me just start this vlog here, okay? Don't forget to thumbs up the video, guys. Hey, guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So, the kids have gone to school. Yeah, I just finished bathing now, okay? Yeah, I just finished bathing now. So, I want to quickly prepare something, yeah? So, I want to cook egusi soup and beans. But I don't know if I'll be able to cook the beans today because I don't know. Depends on how my strength is going to work, okay? So right now I want to first of all wash meat. So after washing meat, I'm going to start making the egusi soup. Okay, I'm going to start making the egusi soup. Then I said let me carry you guys along. Yes, I'm going to be showing you. I might not carry you along fully, but I'll show you some parts in the process of cooking. Okay, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you're just coming across this beautiful girl channel for the first time. All right. So, I want to wash this meat now. I have mixture of shaki, heart. This is heart. It's not liver, but heart. Then beef. So it's just three types of meat here. Three types of meat. Should I say three types of meat? So I just want to wash them. Yeah, take the ones I can use now. Then the ones I can store in the freezer, I'll put them inside the Ziploc, okay? So besties, the egusi soup is ready. Oh, I'm using my hand to turn this, so I'm using my hand to hold for nobody to assist me. And to set ring light now, ring lights. I don't have the strength. Oh, I wish somebody can hold this. This is looking so yummy, so delicious. Like this egusi is egusi. Look at that, man. Can you see the freshness of this egusi? Please, guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video, okay? Subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. Yeah. See you in another clip of this video. Love you. Your delicious egusi soup. Delicious Nigeria egusi soup. Yes, good evening and welcome back again to my channel. It is evening here. I think currently after 6. Yeah. So, Jesus Christ. So, finish making the egusi soup. Yeah. So, I said, let me just throw a bit. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing great. So, I said, let me throw a bit. My daughter is sleeping inside. My son and my girl, they're awake. So, my son is looking at me from the gathers. So, I said, let me just do small evening strolling. Yeah. So, good evening. Good evening. So, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're just coming across my channel. I'm already outside. Oh, good evening, ma. No, good evening. So, don't forget to thumbs up the video, okay? Subscribe if you're just coming across. You see, I hate holding my phone like this and making videos outside. But you know what? I don't have choice. I got to do that. Yeah, I got to do that. I just want to stroll a bit. I don't even know where I'm going to. But I think I have destination anyway. I want to stroll to that place that I normally make my hair. Yeah. So just to exercise a bit. Just to exercise a bit. Hmm. Yeah, okay. I said I'm going to cook beans after cooking the egusi soup, but I couldn't meet up again. Like I said, that if I have strength after cooking the beans and the egusi soup, I'm going to cook the beans. But after cooking the egusi soup, it's not as if I was really tired, but I just feel like I needed to rest because during the cooking of the um, egusi soup, my eyes was actually turning me. So after boiling meat, I had to off the gas to rest a bit before the kids now come back from school. So after that, I said, okay, let me just rest a bit. It's likely I'm going to cook it this night, but if I could not meet up, that would be the one is laughing at me. That will be tomorrow morning. But the reason why I want to cook it this night is because, like I said, I will be going to church tomorrow morning. So I wish I'm able to do it this night. It would have been better. Yes, see who is laughing. See who is laughing at me. You must enter. See her. This, can you see her? She's a pretty woman. Say hi, Joe. Say hi.